Hello dear, my all followers. I am a conceptual 3D product designer, render specialist and 3D artist. I have 10 years of experience in this field. I specialize in 3D product design, ideation and convert to product 3D models. I am still an online and local country freelancer. My another specialty is automatic render setup system control for render. All of my designs are used in manufacture, digital or social media post and print media. Noted, I have a patent and few trademarks on my product design. If you want to do this for your company or a person who needs 3D product model and realistic rendering, please go to my contact page. This has an emailing form and my contact number. When need to mine, please get in touch with me. If you want to check out of my skill, please check out my YouTube channel.